This is a tutorial on my Apache Mesa air conditioner template. So what this is 2 pieces of 5/8 that I've sandwiched together and water treated, and I've added these 4 locking cams that will go into the rail on the outside and basically lock in, keep it in place, and then the window unit will sit into this and lock in place. So let me start with that. It's a tight fit, which is good because you want it to sit in there strong. Lock it in place, lock it in place, lock it in place. So you can see it's very strong. Pull your window against the template, and then you basically insert your window unit. Now, I've notched out a few screw holes here where on the window unit, there's where you slide it in, and they make contact so you can clear it. Otherwise, you have to push kind of hard to get it in. So once it's in place, it'll sit against this metal piece here with a piece of wood and a piece of insulation. Keep the bugs and the temperature out. So I'm gonna put it in place. This is the piece of wood that'll go behind the air conditioner. This is the foam insulation that'll go between once the air conditioner's in place. This is a 6,000 BTU unit. Pick it up at Sam's for 170 bucks. Notches work pretty good. So, and once it's against the side here, that's pretty much it. You put the foam insulation in, put your wood, and then gravity takes over. Okay, make sure it's against the metal. That's it. It's in. So, nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. So as far as plugging it in, I actually have a little pull cord here for the air conditioner line. Just pull it up through. I did this last time, so it didn't have to do it. Hooked it in my power unit down here, and plug it in, and I'm good to go. That's it. We got 6,000 BTU air conditioner installed in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. It'll be a little bit, but if you had more insulation, it'd be a little better, I think.